Welcome back to Study Sprint. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of my videos. So in today's video, we are going to learn how to find the LCM and HCF using prime factors. So the keywords for today are LCM, which stands for lowest common multiple of two numbers, and HCF, which stands for the highest common factor of two numbers. So now I'm going to give you steps to find the LCM and HCF of numbers. So first step is to write each number as a product of its prime factors. Then place the prime factors of both numbers in ascending order. And thirdly, calculate the LCM and HCF from all the prime factors. Now let's do a few practice questions. So first question is find the HCF of 120 and 155. So I'm going to start by prime factorizing 120 and 155, and to do that I'm going to use the factor tree method. So I'm dividing 120 into 2 and 60. 2 is prime, so I'm going to circle 2. Then I'm going to divide 60 into 2 times 30, because 2 times 30 is 60. And again, I'm going to circle 2 because 2 is prime. Then 2 times 15 is 30. And again, I'm going to circle 2. Then we have 5, 15. So I'm going to divide 15 into 3 and 5. And both of them, 3 and 5, are prime, so I'm going to circle both of them. Our next number is 155. So I'm going to prime factorize 155. So 5 and 31, I'm going to circle 5 because 5 is prime. 31 is also prime, so I'm going to circle 31 too. Now I'm going to list all of these prime factors. So 120 is equals to 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. And 155 is equal to 5 times 31. Notice that every time I'm writing these factors, prime factors, I'm going in ascending order because we always write our factors in ascending order. Now I'm going to circle the common factor. So in this case, we can see that our only common factor that we have is 5. And the HCF only has our common factor once. So our HCF is equals to 5. Okay, so now our next question is find the LCM of 76 and 88. Again, I'm going to start by prime factorizing my numbers using the factor tree method. So 76 is going to split into 2 and 38. Now because 2 is prime, I'm going to circle it. I'm going to continue factorizing 38, 2 and 19. And now 2 and 19 are both prime factors. Now I'm going to prime factorize 88. So 88 into 2 and 44. 2 is prime, so I'm going to circle it. Now again 2 and 22. And again 2 is prime, so I'm going to circle it. Now 22 can be factorized into 2 times 11. And now 2 and 11 are both prime, so I'm going to circle both 2 and 11. Now I'm going to write these down. So 76 is equal to 2 times 19, and 88 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 11. And now I'm going to circle the ones that are common. So 2 is common, and then again 2 is common, and these are the only two that are common. Now remember that over here we are finding the LCM. So to find the LCM, we are going to write the commons. So LCM is going to equal the commons once, so 2 times 2, and all of the other factors which are not common, the times, and again they'll be in ascending order, so I'm going to write 2 first, then 11, and then 19. So my LCM would be 1672. So you multiply all of these factors, 2 times 2 times 2 times 11 times 19, and you'll get 1672. Now let's move on to our next question. So our next question is, use prime factors to find the highest number that will divide into both 93 and 155. So to do that, first I need to figure out what I need to do. Do I have to find my LCM or my HCF? So you can see over here it says highest number. When it says highest number, this highest shows us that we are finding the HCF of 93 and 155. Now, after I know what I'm figuring out, I can start by factorizing. So 93 can be factorized into 3 times 31, and 3 is prime, so I'm going to circle it. And then I cannot split 31 any further, so that means that 3 and 31 are both prime numbers. So I'm going to circle them. Now I'm going to prime factorize our next number, which is 155. I have 155, and then it can be factorized into 5 and 31. And now you can see that 5 and 31 are both prime factors because they only have 2 factors, one in the number itself. Now I'm going to write these down. So I have 93 is equal to 3 times 31, and then 155 is equal to 5 times 31. Now remember, we're figuring out the HCF over here. So that means I only need the common factors. And the common factor is 31. So that means that my HCF is going to be 31. So the highest number that will divide into both 93 and 155 is 31. Now our last question for this video is, use prime factors to find the lowest number that will divide into both 316 and 408. So now again, what do we have to do in this question? So over here, it says lowest number. And this lowest over here shows us that we need to find the LCM. So again, I'm going to start by prime factorizing both of my numbers. So first 316, so 2 and 158. 2 is prime, so I'm going to circle 2. And then I'm going to carry on prime factorizing 158. So 2 times 79. And now 2 and 79 are both prime numbers, so I'm going to circle both of them. Now I need to prime factorize my second number, which is 408. So 2 times 204 will give me 408, and 2 is prime, so I'm going to circle 2. Then 2 and 102, and 2 is again prime, so I'm going to circle prime. Then 102 can divide into 2 and 51. And again, 2 is prime, so I'm going to circle 2. And then we're going to split 51 into 3 and 17. And now both of them are prime. So we're going to circle both of them. Now I'm going to write these prime factors. So 316 is equal to 2 times 2 times 79. And 408 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 17. And now because we're finding the LCM, we need to figure out the common factors, but then we're going to take all of our factors. So the common ones are 2, 2, and 79, 2, 3, and 17 are not common. So we have LCM is going to equal, we're going to write our common factors 1, so 2 times 2. I've got both of them once, and now I'm going to times it, and I'm going to write all of the other factors over here in ascending order. So 2 times 3 times 17 times 79. So my LCM is going to equal 32,232. So my question is solved now. My answer is 32,232. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others. For more updates, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the notification bell.